Okay, good morning students. Welcome back again. Right? We were discussing chapter number 11, the proposal. Now we are familiar with the concept, we are familiar with the story, what the story revolves around. Right? It's the proposal. Right? There are three main characters in this chapter. The first one is Stefan Stefanovich. He is a landowner. Right? Second is Natalia Stefanova, that is his daughter, right? 25 years old. So he is his father and the daughter. And the third one is Ivan Veselovich, right? Who is a neighbor of Tubakov, right? But a very suspicious landowner. He holds the property, but in a very suspicious way. He doesn't tell what kind of property that he holds, right? This is all about the particular chapter. And we know the story, what happened, right? Ivan goes to the house of Natalia and he wants to propose her, but the things gets on the other side. They starts to quarrel, they starts to argue in case of property that this oxen and meadows belongs to me. Natalia is not ready to accept all these things. She says this oxen and meadows belongs to me since our forefathers. Right? And all these things we have seen in the previous sessions, right? So let us begin today, right? What goes ahead? What is the conversation or communication that takes place between Lomo and Natalia? That is Ivan and Natalia, right? So take out your textbook, that is on page number 148, right? I'm going to start from the half of the page, that is from the middle of the page, right? Natalia, I can make head or tails all about aunts and grandfathers and grandmothers. The meadows are over, that's all, right? If you want head and tails and everything, I can do everything, but the fact is that that piece of property belongs to us, right? Lomo, mine, right? Lomo is getting angry. I told all these things yesterday, right? Natalia, ours, you can go moving it for 2 days or and you can go out and put 15 dress jackets, but I tell you that they are ours and ours. All these things we have discussed. I'm just going to read it, right? So you'll have in memory what we did yesterday. I don't want anything of yours and I do not want to give anything of mine. So there, right? Let us make it clear. I don't want to give anything of mine and I don't want anything of yours. Lomo, Natalia Stefanova. I don't want the meadows, but I am acting on a principle. If you like, I'll make you a present of them, right? I'm not, concerned with that property because that doesn't cost much, but I'm acting on a principle that suggests or that defines that principle, that is, this property is mine. The documents, I can show it to you. Right? So that is what I'm acting on a principle, right? I'll make you a present of them. If you want it, if you really want that property, I'll give it to you as a present, right? Natalia, I can make you a present of them myself. If you want it as a present, I'll give it to you, right? Because they are mine. Your behavior, Ivan Veselovich, is strange to say the least. Up to this, we have always thought of you as a good neighbor, a friend. Last year, we lent you our threshing machine, although on the account we have to put our own threshing till November, right? Now this is where the punching point comes in the story, right? Ivan, who takes the machine, threshing machine, right? And Natalia says it's on the face, right? And we wanted it actually, but you were a good neighbor, you were a good friend to us, so we lended it to you. And actually we were in need, but we hoarded all the things till November, right? But you behave to us if we were gypsies. That means you behave to us like we were strangers. We are nobodies, right? What kind of behavior is this? Giving me my own land indeed? You are giving me my own piece of land? What kind of person you are, right? No, really, that's not all neighborly. In my opinion, it is even imprudent. If you want to know, imprudent means it is not acceptable at all, this kind of behavior that is not expected by you, Ivan, right? You have always considered you as a good neighbor plus a friend. What kind of behavior or what kind of situation you are trying to create in this particular way, right? Lomo. Then you make out that I am a land grabber. What are you trying to say? That I am a land grabber, right? I am taking land, right, illegally. That is what you are trying to say. Madam, never in my life I have grabbed anybody else's land and I shan't allow anybody to accuse me of having so, right? I have never taken a piece of land in my life. I have never grabbed a piece of land in my life, right? That is what for sure is. And I will never allow anyone, right, to put a blame on me that I am a land grabber, right? Quickly steps to the cafe and drinks more water. Oxen and meadows are mine. He drinks the water which is there on the table close to him, right? And he says again, after drinking the water, that is, oxen and meadows are mine. Natalia, it's not true. They are ours. Lomo, mine. Right? Now we'll begin with today's concepts, right? Natalia, it is not true. I'll prove it. I'll send my movers out of the meadows this very day. Right? It is not true. Right? Natalia is now again getting angry. Now both are getting angry. Right? I'll prove it. Natalia is saying that I'll prove it. I'll send my movers out of the meadows this very day. Lomo, what? My movers will be there this very day. Movers means the person who are working over there. They are known as movers, right? They આપણે દાડિયા કહીએ ને ગુજરાતીની અંદર તે લોકો એ જગ્યાએ કામ કરતા હોય. Per day they get the wages or weekly they get the wages. That kind of movers are the people who are working on that piece of land, right? So Natalia is saying, I'll send my movers out of the meadows this very day. If you want it, right, I'll send all these people out. So Lomo is getting angry. What? Your movers? That is my piece of land and my movers are there working on that day, right? My movers will be there this very day. Not Lomo, I'll give it to them in the neck. Natalia, you dare. Lomo clutches at his heart. Oxen and meadows are mine. You understand mine? Clutches at his heart. That means he's putting his hand on his heart. He is getting a pressure on his heart. Right? જ્યારે કોઈ બી વસ્તુ બહુ એકદમ આમ કોઈનું બિહેવિયર સોફ્ટ હોય ને અચાનક એના ઉપર કોઈ જાતનું એટેક કરવામાં આવે ને someone is blaming some person, right, illegally in front of the other place or in common public place or in someone's house, right? Every person cannot accept this kind of thing, right? Suppose for example, let us say I'll give you a punishment in the front of whole class. I'll make you stand up on the bench, I'll give you to write assignment 5 times, right? And I'll call your parents and I'll do everything in front of all the classmates in which you are studying. Will you like it? No, obviously not, right? You are not concerned with the punishment, but the thing is, I'm giving you the punishment in the front of whole class and that is not acceptable by you. Right? This is what it is. અચાનક કોઈ એવો મોટો ઝાટકો આપે ને એટલે ના સહન થાય. So the same situation was with Ivan. પોતાની જ પ્રોપર્ટી હતી અને નટાલિયા એવું કહેતી હતી that this piece of land belongs to me. Right? So he clutches on his heart. That means he put his hand on his heart. Oh my God. Right? Now my heart is paining. My heart is paining. Right? Clutches at his heart. Oxen and meadows are mine. Are you getting? You understand mine, right? Clutches, he puts his hand on his heart. That's heart ma pain start with you, right? Natalia, please don't shout, right? Now they were in the verge of quarreling, right? So the voice obviously is going to go high, right? Please don't shout. You can shout yourself, harass in your own house, but here I must ask you to retain yourself, right? If you want to go to your house, if you want to shout it very loudly in your house, that's okay. This is not your house, this is my house. Right? So don't shout. And if you want to go and shout that oxen and meadows are mine, do it at your own home, not in my home. Right? See where the conversation goes. Right? Now they are on the verge of quarreling or arguing. Arguing is the wrong word, right? Quarreling. Right? Actually, Lomo came here for the proposal. See where the story is moving. Right? This is what communication is. If you are not stick to the point, what you are trying to say, it will go into the other way. Right? I told you yesterday also. Right? So this is the important thing that you need to understand, that you need to be very clear in your communication. Right? Lomo, if it wasn't, madam, for this awful excruciating palpitation, if my whole inside wasn't upset, I wouldn't talk to you in a different way. Yells, oxen and meadows are mine. Natalia, ours. Lomo, mine. Natalia, ours. Lomo, mine. Enters Chuboko. Right? Now his father is entering into this picture again. Right? બંને જણા એમ કે mine. This property belongs to me. This property belongs to me. Right? And the conversation is going on. At that point of time, his father enters again. Chuboko, what's the matter? What are you shouting for? Natalia, Papa, please tell this gentleman who owns oxen and meadows, we or he. Please tell this gentleman, that means please tell Ivan, please tell the fact who owns the oxen and meadows, whose property it is. Right? Chuboko, to Lomo, darling, the meadows are ours. Right? Even his father is taking the side of his daughter, that the meadows are ours. Right? Lomo, but please, Stefanovich, how can they be yours? Now again Lomo is arguing, how can they be yours? Do be a reasonable man. At least you are an aged person, right? You are a father of a daughter, 25 years old. Be reasonable, be correct, or be honest with yourself, right? My aunt's grandmother gave the meadows for the temporary and free use of her grandfather's peasant. The peasants used the land for 40 years and got accustomed to it as if it was their own. What? it happened that, right? We know all this process. Yeah? Yesterday only we have discussed fathers, grandfathers, and aunts, grandmothers, and all these things we have discussed yesterday, right? So this is the same conversation Lomo is telling to Natalia's father now. Now what does Chuboko reply? Excuse me, my precious. See, now again the situation is, Chuboko is trying to make the situation calm. The words that has been used by Chuboko are very soft, right? Excuse me, my precious. You forget just this, that the peasant didn't pay your grandmother and all that because the meadows were in disputes. Now Chuboko is trying to clear the picture again, right? He is trying to add something new in the story which Lomo or Ivan doesn't know, right? See, excuse me, my precious. You forgot just this, that the peasant didn't pay your grandmother. The peasants who were working on that place didn't pay your grandmother and all that because the meadows were in dispute. The piece of property were in dispute and so on. And now everybody knows that they are ours. It means that you haven't seen the plan. That means the plan. Property જ્યારે બનતી હોય ને એના ઉપર પેલા plan paper બનતું હોય, right? That means you are not clear with the plan, right? Lomo, I'll prove it to you. They are mine. Still Lomo is not ready to accept. So Lomo is saying, I'll prove it that they are mine. Chuboko, you won't prove it, my darling. Still, the language is very soft. That means, my dear one, you cannot prove it. Lomo, I shall. Chuboko, dear one, why yell like that? That means, what is the point of shouting, my friend? That means, my dear one, why are you shouting? You won't prove anything just by yelling, just by making your voice very loud. Right? Can you prove anything? You cannot prove anything. Right? જે લોકો સાચા હોય ને એને અવાજ મોટો કરવાની જરૂર નથી. અવાજ મોટો ક્યારે થાય? જે વ્યક્તિ ખોટો હોય ત્યારે અને પોતાની જાતને પ્રૂવ કરવા માંગે that I am the correct one. Right? At that point of time, he or she, whoever may be, tries to raise the voice. Right? અવાજ ત્યારે જ મોટો થાય. પોતાની જાતને પ્રૂવ કરવાની વાત આવી જાય ત્યારે અવાજ મોટો થતો. But if you are correct, you don't even need to raise your voice. તો સાચા છી તો અવાજ મોટો કરવાની કોઈ જરૂર જ નથી. Right? This is what his father is trying to tell to Lomo. I don't want anything of yours and don't intend to give up what I have. Why should I? That you know, my beloved, that if you propose to go on arguing about it, I would much sooner give up the meadows to the peasants than to you. There, right? Now his father is, taunting him. This is a communication which is worthless, right? And if you go on arguing on the same situation that they are mine, હજી જો તું આ જ વસ્તુ ઉપર argue કરતો રહીશ, that this particular piece of land belongs to me, I'll give it to the peasants rather than to you. Right? જે લોકો કામ કરે છે એના નામે કરી નાખીશ પણ તને નહીં આપ. This is what his father is telling to Lomo, right? Lomo, I don't understand. How have you the right to give away somebody else's property? Right? I don't understand. How can you give my property to your peasants without my permission? Right? How can you do it? Chuboko, you make it that I know whether I have the right or not, because young man, I'm not used to being spoken to in that tone of voice, and so on, right? You can imagine the age of this father, right? Natalia is only 25 years old. Chuboko, that is Lomo, is 35 years old. So you can imagine the age of his father, might be around 50-55. So a senior kind of person. So he tells to Lomo that I am not habituated for this kind of voice in my house, right? That means I have never, heard or somebody talking with me in a louder sense, right? Because I am not used to being spoken to that in that tone of voice, right? Tone is your voice no. પોતાની જાતને prove કરવા માંગે લોકો that whatever you say, whatever you tell, this property belongs to me, right? કોકના ઘરમાં જઈને આ એક દાદાગીરી થઈ, right? A kind of an act which is illegal. You are going in someone else's house and you are trying to prove that your point that property belongs to me, right? This is not acceptable. If you want to go to prove certain things, you need to take the steps of the court, right? કોકના ઘરમાં જઈને આવી રીતે આવા ટોનથી વાત કરવી, that is something very illegal. That is something very illegal. So his father is trying to still calm the situation, right? And he says, right, I'm not habituated to this kind of tone of voice, right? And so on. I, young man, am twice your age, right? See, it is clearly given. 35, twice, 70, right? I said 55, it is 70, right? And ask you to speak to me without agitating yourself and all that, right? Please be calm, make your voice low, and talk to me very properly, right? Lomo, no, you just think that I'm a fool and want to help me on? You think that I'm a fool, right? You're trying to say all these things and I'll calm myself and I'll talk with you in a lower voice, and you will say that this property belongs to me? right? Sorry, this property belongs to you. That is what it is you are trying to prove the point. Lomo is saying to his father. That is Natalia's father, right? You call my land yours and then you want me to talk to you calmly and politely? You tell me that my property belongs to you and you expect that I should talk calmly and politely? How can I? I cannot be calm and polite, right? Good neighbors don't behave like that, Stefan Stefanovic. You are not a neighbor, you are a grabber, right? Lomo says that you are not a neighbor, you are a grabber. So Natalia એના ઉપર એવું મૂકી દીધું that you are a land grabber. And Lomo એના father ઉપર એવું મૂકી દીધું that you are a land grabber, right? Rich people. So this is where the reality comes, right? Humans are not important. Relations are not important. Property is important. આપણે જોઈ ગયું મેં તમને summary લખાઈ દીધી. Because a family of rich persons or rich families are getting engaged or connected and they make their property even more strong, right? See where and what they are talking, right? કેટલો પૈસો હશે લખેલું છે rich, they are rich people, that means they will have enough money, but still look at their behavior, look at the language and the communication that they are using, right? Because when it is coming about the property, when it is coming about some kind of assets, their communication changes. Even though they have a lot of money, a lot of capital into their bank balance, still they are fighting for a piece of property and the proposal goes on the other way, right? We need to understand how communication should take place, right? With whom we are talking. So the bottom line is, whatever I'm trying to say is that as an educated person or students, when you grow up and when you talk with someone else who is unknown or who is known, whoever it is, that depends on the situation. Talk to the point. Be clear in your voice so that the other person can understand very easily what you are trying to say, right? Don't go round and round, just like Lomo was on the edge of verge of asking the proposal. જો direct proposal કરી દીધું હોત ને આવી કઈ સ્ટોરી ઊભી ના થઈ. લોકોની પ્રોબ્લેમ શું હતી? ગોળ ગોળ વાત કરી. ગોળ ગોળ વાત કરીને ક્યાં પહોંચી ગયા? પ્રોપર્ટી સુધી પહોંચી ગયા, right? So this is a message for us. Whenever you are trying to communicate, be clear and be confident. If you don't understand, ask him once, sir, હજી નથી સમજાણું, આ નો સમજાણું, પેલું નો સમજાણું. કેટલાક લોકો મનમાં ને મનમાં રાખે, રાઈટ? ઘણા એવા મારા ટીચિંગના યર્સના એક્સપિરિયન્સ મેં એવા જોયા છે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કે ઘણું બધું પૂછવું હોય પણ they don't have the daring to ask, right? પછી પેરેન્ટ્સ આવે, સર આને આ નથી આવડતું, ઓલું નથી આવડતું. મને કંઈક પૂછે તો ખબર પડે, right? So this is an advice to you also, right? So you should even ask frankly if you don't understand. So नहीं पूछो तो मने नहीं समझे. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions, you can ask. Not right now, but at the end. But my point is, whenever you have any kind of thoughts in your mind, whenever you are not clear with anything related to subjects or related to anything, right, with whom you are talking, you should be clear in your communication. Then only the other person can understand. મનમાં ને મનમાં રાખશો ને એવું વિચારશો કે સામેવાળો સમજી જાય, no one will understand. Not even your parents, right? હા, એટલી ખબર પડશે કંઈક છે ખરું પણ કહેતો નથી, કંઈ કહેતી નથી. So you have to speak it very clear. What you want, what you didn't understand, or what you are trying to say, so that your communication would be even more strong. Right? This is where the learning comes from. This is what the real language is, right? આપણે ખાલી માર્ક્સ માટે નથી ભણવું, આપણે નોલેજ માટે ભણવું, right? And knowledge comes from communication. SS માં જોઈ ગયા હતા ને આપણે, right? Subjects હતા, right? Communication. Yeah, remember one chapter we did? I hope you remember, right? So this is where different languages were being spoken. Now મેં તમને SS માં ભણાવ્યું. This is what communication is. One wrong step in the communication and you are going on the other direction, right? This is an advice to all the students who are right now online. Whatever the subject is with whom you are talking, right? Whatever you are communicating, it should be very clear. It should be very clear. નથી આવડતું તો નથી આવડતું, નથી સમજાતું તો નથી સમજાતું. એક વાર, બે વાર, ત્રણ વાર, right? But a communication strong નહીં હોય તો એ વધારે doubts ઊભા થતા જશે, right? And whatever it is, એવું નહીં કે ટીચર સ્ટુડન્ટ જોડે જ્યાં પણ તમે વાત કરો, કોઈ બી જગ્યાએ વાત કરો, તમારું કમ્યુનિકેશન એકદમ પ્રોપર હોવું જોઈએ. જે પૂછ્યું છે એનો જવાબ આપવાનો છે, right? So that Even you reply, pause રહેવાનું છે. આ બધી વસ્તુ લર્ન કરવાની. Pause, right? Yesterday I told you. All these things you have to learn because you still have the time to develop yourself. એકવાર મોટા થઈ ગયા પછી આ વસ્તુ કોઈ નહીં શીખવાડે. Right? So this is the perfect time to learn how to communicate, right? How to develop yourself. What are the ways you need to speak with different people, right? So I hope all these things you are remembering what I have discussed yesterday, right? થોડુંક અત્યારે પાછું કીધું છે. આ વસ્તુ જો તમે તમારા મગજમાં રાખશો તો તમારું કમ્યુનિકેશન વધારે સ્ટ્રોંગ થતું જશે, right? Let's move to the topic again, right? You are not a neighbor, you are a grabber. That is what Lomo says. Chuboko, what's that? What did you say? Now his father is saying, what are you trying to say? Right? Papa, that is Natalia, sorry. Papa, send the movers out of the meadows at once. Chuboko, what did you say, sir? Natalia, oxen and meadows are ours, and I shan't give up them, shan't give up them, shan't give up them. That is, I shall not give to you. I am not ready to give it to you. Lomo, we will see. I have the matter taken to court. See, I have the matter taken to the court, right? For legal activity તમારે જોતી હોય, તમારી property જોતી હોય, right? You need to go into the court for getting the justice, right? This is what I told before 2 minutes, right? So this is what the same situation is arising over here because it is a case of property, right? I'll have the matter taken to the court. This is what Lomo is saying, and then I will show you, and then I will prove it to you that this property actually belongs to me. To court, you can take it to court and all that. You can go. I know you are just on the lookout for a chance to go to the court and all that. You pettifogger, all your people were like that. All of them. Pettifogger means a person who is, what kind of say? Who is very eager to grab each and everything of someone else. That is known as pettifogger, right? Intentions are not good. That kind of a person who wants to get each and everything by taking the case into the legal manner, by harassing them. That kind of person, that is a pettifogger. Now his father is saying, all your people were like that, not you. All your people, that means your whole family was like that only, right? All of them. Lomo, never mind about my people. You don't need to concern about my people, my family, right? The Lomos have all been honorable people and no one has ever been tried to embezzlement like your grandfather. Now Lomo is again blaming his grandfather, right? I know my family. I know what Lomos are, right? And not one has ever been tried to embezzlement. That means તમારા જેવો કોઈ શરમલેસ વ્યક્તિ, right? Like your grandfather. Like your grandfather. મેં આજ સુધી જોયો નથી. I have never seen a shameless person like your grandfather. This is what Lomo is telling to Natalia's father. Look at the language that they are using, right? They are going on the third downgraded level language. They are rich people, right? And just for the case of property, what kind of communication is going on? See, right? We need to learn all these things. What kind of communication should we have? Chubokos, you Lomos have lunacy in your family, all of you, right? Lunacy is mentality, right? બધાનું બધું પડાવી લો, that kind of thoughts, right? All of you are the same. That is what Chuboko is telling. Natalia, all. Yes, father, I agree. All of them are like that, right? Chuboko, your grandfather was a drunkard. See, this is what Lomo is telling. Your grandfather was a drunkard. तो दारू पीतो, right? Look at the language that they are using. Rich people, educated, sense, have the property and money, but for a piece of land, right? Look at the communication. And your grandfather's an aunt, Nastaya Milinova, ran away with an architect, and so on, right? And your younger aunt ran away with an architect. हमारी एक आंटी तो एक आर्किटेक्ट जोड़े भागी गई थी. Look at this. This is what Lomo is saying, right? See, and so on. Lomo, and your mother was humpbacked, clutches at his heart, right? Something pulling in my side, my head, help, water, right? And your mother was a humpback. Humpback is backsteppers, right? સામે કંઈક બોલે અલગ અને પાછળથી કંઈક અલગ હોય. That kind of different behavior, right? Humpback, clutches at his heart. હવે લોમોને પાછું હાથમાં પેઇન સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયું, right? Something is pulling me inside. That is, something is paining in my heart. Happening in my heart, right? My head. Now my head is also paining, right? Help. This is what the words are being used by Lomo. Water. Chuboko, your father was a guzzling gambler, right? See, G. Natalia's father બોલવામાં કઈ બાકી રાખતા નથી. Your father was a gambler, right? Your father was a gambler. એ તો જુગાર રમતા, right? પેલાને હાર્ટમાં અને હેડમાં પેન સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયું, right? Natalia, and there haven't been many backbiters. See, backbiters, that is what backstabbers, right? પેલા લોમોએ એના મમ્મીને કીધું, that is humpback, અને નટાલિયા સેમ વસ્તુ રિપ્લાય કરે છે, and there haven't been many backbiters to equal to your aunt, right? તારા આંટી પણ backbiter જ હતા, પાછળથી બટકું ભરી લે ને એ ટાઈપમાં, right? This kind of persons, right? Like your aunt. પેલાને હાથમાં ને હેડમાં પેન સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયું, right? લોમોને. And still daughter and father are firing on him, right? અને પેલો બી સામે ફાયર કરે. Chuboko, my left foot has gone to sleep, right? That means my left foot has gone to sleep, means it's not working. I'm trying to move my left foot, but it's not working, right? Paralysis થાય ને, એક બીમારી છે paralysis. એટલે એક સાઈડ આખી છે ને આમ કહેવાય ખોટી પડી જાય, right? It's not working. એવું લોમો ટ્રાય કરવાનું કહે છે, સોરી ચુબોકો ટ્રાય કરવાનું કહે છે. I'm extremely sorry. Chuboko, my left foot has gone to sleep. You are an integral, oh my heart, and it's open secret that before the last elections you breathe, I can see the stars. Where's my hat, right? I'm going to die now, right? This is what Chuboko is telling. You are an integral, that means you are ruining my life. You are ruining or blaming me for whatever I have not done anything. And it's an open secret that before the last election you bribe means you negative kind of person, I can see stars, right? Elections આવે છે, મારે elections જોવા છે, right? This is what Chuboko is telling, right? But તારી આ conversation ના લીધે, because of this conversation, I am going to see the stars. That means I am going to die, right? Where is my hat? Where is my hat? This is what Chuboko is telling. Natalia, it is low, it is dishonest, it is mean. Chuboko, and you are just a malicious, down-faced integral. Yes, Lomo, here is my hat, my heart. Which way? Where is the door? Now Lomo is trying to escape from the house, right? Where is my hat? Give me my hat. In the dressing sense, coat and hat and all that kind of things, right? એટલી બધી argument strong થઈ ગઈ, એટલી heat up થઈ ગઈ, right? Now Lomo is trying to escape from the house, right? Here is my hat, my heart, right? That means my heart is still paining. Which way? Where is the door? I need to get out of here. Oh, I think I am dying. My foot is quite numb. Now again Lomo is saying that I am dying and my foot is numb. That is again my foots are not working. That is my steps are not moving ahead. Goes to the door. Now Lomo goes to the door. ઘરની બહાર નીકળવાની ટ્રાય કરે છે, right? Chuboko following him, and don't see foot in my house again. Never you come into my house again, right? That is what Chuboko is telling. Natalia, take it to the court. We will see. પપ્પા એને કોર્ટ જ કરો. આપણે કોર્ટમાં કેસ કરશું. We will see him in the court, right? Lomo straggles out. Lomo is moving out of the house. Chuboko, devil, take him. કાશ આને શૈતાનથી ઉપાડી જાય, right? Such kind of words are being used, right? Walks about in excitement. Natalia, what a rascal. Rascal means a naughty person, right? With evil thoughts, right? It's not a bad word actually. Rascal means a naughty person, right? With evil thoughts in his mind. કોકનું કંઈક ખરાબ કરવાની intentions હોય ને એને rascals કહેવાય, right? It's not a bad word actually, right? But that kind of sentence or meaning it has. What trust can one have in one's neighbor after that? આવા neighbor હોય તો આપણે કોના ઉપર વિશ્વાસ કરવો? Whom do we have to trust? This is what Natalia is telling. Chuboko, the villain, the scarecrow, right? He is the villain. Villain હોય ને, villain ના રોલ કે scarecrow, right? Crow એકદમ black હોય, એનો અવાજ એવો હોય, right? જે આપણને નથી ગમતું, right? Crows ના અવાજ આપણને નથી ગમતો, એનો કલર આપણને નથી ગમતો. That represents darkness, right? Villain, that represents the negative role in the character of the film or a movie. So Chuboko tells him he is the villain, the scarecrow. Natalia, the monster. Natalia is even one more step ahead. He is not the villain or the scarecrow, he is the monster. Shaitan છે, right? First he takes out our land and then he has the impudence to abuse us. આપણી જ જમીન પોતે લઈ લે છે અને આપણા જ ઘરમાં આવીને આપણને જ abuse કરે છે. What kind of person he is, right? Chuboko, and that's blind hand. Yes, that turnip ghost. Turnip ghost એટલે જે પેલા soul હોય ને, ભૂત ફરતા હોય, right? ગોળ ગોળ આમથી આમ ફરતા હોય. Turnip ghost. As the co-founded chief to make a proposal. Now the story is there, right? જો હવે એના ફાધરના મોઢામાંથી નીકળું બહાર, right? નટાલિયા તો કઈ ખબર જ નહોતી ને. That was the situation. Natalia was in her apron પહેરીને નીચે આવી. Right? She was preparing something in the kitchen. Now the situation is coming over here, એના ફાધરના મોઢામાંથી બહાર નીકળી ગયા was. Right? See, I'm repeating that sentence again, right? The dialogue again. And that blind hen, andhro manas, that turning ghost, booth જેવો, has the co-founded cheek. That means એનું daring તો જો to make a proposal and so on. What a proposal! આવું અને આવો વ્યક્તિ મારી ડોટર માટે પ્રપોઝલ લઈને આવ્યો, એ બી મારા જ ઘરમાં અને પાછો એકલો. Now Natalia, she is in shock, right? What proposal? Chuboko, why he came here to propose you? Now Chuboko is telling to his daughter why he came here to propose you, right? Natalia, to propose to me? Why didn't you tell me so before? તો મને પહેલા કેમ ન કીધું? Right? This is what his daughter is telling to his father now. There is a difference going on between daughter and father now. Chuboko. So he dressed up in the evening clothes, the stuffed sausage, the visage face trunk. That is why he was wearing such kind of dressing. Right? You didn't get it. He came actually here to propose you. Natalia. To propose to me on the next page, right? Falls into an easy chairs and walls. Bring him back. Bring him here. You just go outside, open the door and bring him back here. Right? एकदम हम शॉक लागीने કેમ ખુરશી ઉપર બેસી જાય. Right? That kind of reaction was there from Natalia, and he ordered his father to open the door and bring him back here. That means into the house again. Chuboko, bring whom here? કોને લઈ આવો? Natalia, quick! I am ill. I am not well. Fetch him. Right? History is. I actually don't know what does it mean actually, right? But I'll find it out what this particular word is, right? I'll fetch him. That means I'll try to make the meaning of the sentence what Natalia is trying to say. Quick! I am ill. That means I'm not well. You just bring him. Just quickly go out of the door. Bring him into the back. That is into the house back again. Fetch him. That means એને પકડો ને ત્યારે એના ઘરે જતો રહેશે, right? History case. I'll find out what the real meaning is, right? Let's move ahead. Chuboko, what's that? What's the matter with you? Clutches at his head. Oh, unhappy man that I am. I'll shout myself, I'll hang myself, what we have done for her. Right? Natalia, I am dying, fetch him. Right? Chuboko is telling, right? Still Chuboko. What's that? What's the matter with you? Right? આટલું insult કરીને ગયો. Right? આટલું issue ને ઝઘડા કરીને ગયો. Right? And still you want to fetch him? Right? Oh, unhappy man that I am. What an unlucky man I am. Right? I'll shoot myself. I'll hang myself. What we have done for her. A છોકરી માટે કેટલું બધું કર્યું. I have did many things for you, and you still want that man and you are telling me to bring him into our house again. I'm going to shoot myself. Right? I'll hang myself, but I'm not going to bring that man again into my house. This is what Chuboko is telling. Right? Natalia, I am dying. Fetch him. તમે નહીં લઈ આવો તો હું મરી જઈશ. Just go and catch him, right? Chuboko, at once, don't yell, relax, don't shout, right? Runs out, there is a pause. He goes out of the house. His father goes out of the house and there is a pause. There is a pause. Pause means a small break, right? I told you what pause is. છોકરી એવું કીધું તમે એને પાછો લઈ આવો ઘરમાં. You bring him back again into our house, or else I'm going to die. His father is saying, don't yell, don't shout. I'm going to bring him back again. And then he runs out. Natalia Stefanova waits. That means she is waiting. What have they done to me? Fetch him back, right? He pauses. Chuboko runs in. Chuboko, he is coming and so on. They will take him out. Talk to him yourself. I don't want to, right? Wait, I have called him, he is coming back, right? And so on. ભગવાન કરે ના શેતાનાને ઉપાડી જાય. એવું father એની daughterને કહેતા, right? I have told him he is coming back again, but from inside my heart, I wish that devil takes him, right? Talk to him yourself. I don't want to. I have called him again into our house, right? You have to talk by yourself. I am not going to talk. This is what his father is saying to his daughter. Natalia wails, fetch him, catch him. હજી લેવો, હજી આવ્યો નથી એટલે fetch him, that means catch him, right? Chuboko yells, he is coming, I tell you. કીધું ને એકવાર આવે છે, right? Oh, what a burden, Lord, to be the father of a grown up daughter, right? જ્યારે છોકરી આવી જીદ કરે કેટલું બર્ડન થઈ જાય ફાધર માટે, right? I'll cut my throat, I will indeed, right? I shall cut my throat, that means I shall cut my head or I shall cut my throat. Indeed, we cursed him, abused him, drove him out, and it's all you and you. Just because of you, we have cursed him, right? Cursed him એટલે એના માટે ખરાબ બોલ્યા, એના ફેમિલીનું ખરાબ બોલ્યા, right? Abused him, right? કોઈ કહેવાય ને કોઈના ફિલિંગ્સને હર્ટ કર્યા, right? એના ફેમિલી વિશે એબ્યુઝ કર્યું, drove him out, ઘરમાંથી કાઢી મૂકો, and it's all because of you. His father is blaming his daughter now, and it is all because of you, right? What happened actually? They both were arguing, right? અને એના ફાધરની એન્ટ્રી થઈ હતી. તો એના ફાધરને તો કંઈ ખબર જ નહોતી શું સિચ્યુએશન છે અને કઈ મેટર ઉપર છે. સીધો નટાલિયાએ ક્વેશ્ચન કરી દીધો એના ફાધરને, ઓક્સન એન્ડ વિડોઝ બિલોંગ્સ ટુ whom? એટલે એના ફાધર એવું કીધું, ઇટ બિલોંગ્સ ટુ અસ. એટલે એનો ફાધર એવું સમજતો હતો કે પહેલા એ પ્રપોઝલ કરી દીધું હશે અને પછી કોઈ બીજી વતની આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ થતી હશે. That means the proposal is already been done. So his father had that kind of thought that the proposal might have been done and now they are arguing on a different concept. But the real thing was, proposal was not done. Proposal was not done. Why it was not done? Because when his father was going on the upstairs to call Natalia, right, his father actually forgot to tell him that Ivan is here to propose you. બંનેનો વાક છે, પણ હવે અત્યારે એવી સિચ્યુએશન છે એનો ફાધર એની ડોટરનો વાક કાઢે છે. હું જ્યારે નીચે ઉતરો ત્યારે તમે બે ઝઘડતા, and it is all because of you that I have taken your side, I have abused him and I have thrown him out of the house. It is all because of you. Natalia, no, it was you. મારા કારણે નહીં, તમારા કારણે થયું. Now his daughter is blaming his father again. It's not me, it's you. You should have told me before when I was upstairs that he had come here for the proposal. મને તો કાંઈ કીધું નહીં, right? Look at my dressing sense. She was in her apron, right? It's not me, it's you. You should have told me when you come upstairs that Ivan is here for the proposal. બંને એકબીજાને blame કરે, right? The father and the daughter. Chuboko, I tell you it's not my fault, right? Chuboko is telling, I tell you it is not my fault. Lomo appears at the door. Now you talk to him yourself. Now Lomo is entering again. Now you talk to yourself, right? Exit. Chuboko goes from there. Lomo enters exhausted. પાછો આવ્યો, right? Exhausted. થાકી ગયો છે, right? Mental pressure is more than the physical one, right? મગજમાં જે પ્રેશર છે ને physical pressure કરતા it's more 10 times, right? થાકી ગયો છે. My heart's palpitating awfully. My foot's gone to sleep. There is something that keeps me pulling in my side, right? The same conversation again. Natalia, forgive us. Even vessel which we were little heated. I remember now. Oxen and meadows really are yours. Oxen and meadows really are yours, right? Now Natalia is telling that oxen and meadows are yours. Hamara nahi, tamara hai, right? Why she is telling? Because she liked Ivan. She liked Ivan, right? Forgive us, right? Good. Conversation, માણસ કેવું બદલાઈ જાય. This is where the selfishness comes from. સ્વાર્થ છે, right? નટાલિયાને ગમે છે Ivan. આખી કમ્યુનિકેશન એક જ મિનિટમાં બદલાઈ ગઈ. On the previous page, she told we will take him to the court. And when she came to know that Ivan came here for the proposal, look at the words that she is using. Forgive us, right? We were a little bit heated up. થોડી વધારે જ આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ થઈ ગઈ, right? I remember now. Oxen and meadows are really yours. Lomo. My heart's beating awfully, my meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. બંને eyebrows ફડકે, right? And my heart is palpitating. That means again I have, something is pulling me inside. All that kind of things, right? Natalia, the meadows are yours. Yes. Do sit down. They sit. We were wrong. That means I and my father were wrong. The oxen and meadows belongs to you. Lomo. I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me, but the principle. Land is not that important. It is little for me. That piece of land is not that important thing in my life. But I acted and whatever I have said is on the principle. That is the documents that I have. Right? જે principle છે, જે proof છે મારી પાસે, એના આધારે મેં કીધેલું કે આ જગ્યા મારી છે. Right? Natalia, yes, the principal, just so. Now let's talk something else. Right? Yes, you were correct. You were correct on your principle. Let's talk something else. Right? Leave this topic and let us talk something else. Natalia wants the main thing to come out from the mouth of Lomo. That is Ivan, right? હવે નટાલિયા એવું એક્સપેક્ટ કરે છે કે આ વાતને સાઈડમાં મૂકો and the main topic should be discussed, why you actually came here for, right? So let's talk something else. Lomo, the more so as I have evidence, my aunt's grandmother gave the land to your grandfather. Now still Lomo is in that concept only, right? હજી એ જ વસ્તુ ડિસ્કસ કરે છે Lomo. The more so have I evidence, my aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather and Jesus. Natalia, yes, let that pass aside. I wish I knew how to get him started. Allow. Are you going to start shouting soon? You are still going to discuss the same thing again and again? I said that I am and my father were sorry. That property belongs to you. Yes, you were correct. You were correct. Lomo. Now what does Lomo says again? I'm thinking of having a go to the Black Cock, honored Natalia Stefanova, after the harvest. Oh, have you heard? Just think what a misfortune I have had. My dog, yes, who you know has gone lame. My dog has gone lame. That means my dog is not acting anything, right? That is what Lomo is saying. Natalia, what a pity. Why? Lomo, I don't know. Must have got his leg twisted or bitten by some other dogs, right? Must has got his leg twisted. Kind of tutti gyo hase athwa might have been bitten by other dogs. My very best dog, to say nothing of the expense, I gave Minro 125 rubles for him. The name of the dog is Minro, and I gave 125 rubles, that might be the currency over there, right? For him. It was too much Ivan Vesselvich, that is what Natalia is telling. Lomo, I think it was very cheap. He is the first rated dog. What did Natalia expect when she came to know that Ivan came here for the proposal? Let this topic be aside of the property. Let's talk something else. Let's talk something else. Natalia expect करती थी, let the main topic should be discussed. That is the proposal. तो Ivan से नहीं बात चालू की related to his dog. Related to his dog, right? એમાં પાછા જો પૈસા આવી ગયા, status આવી ગયો. I brought him for 125 rubles. Natalia said, oh, it is very expensive. પેલો શું કહે? No, it is not at all expensive, right? See, ક્યાંથી ક્યાં વાત જાય, right? 125 rubles for him. It was too much expensive Ivan Vesselvich. Lomo, I think it was very cheap. He is the first rated dog. Natalia, Papa gave 85 rubles for his squeezers. Now Natalia is again telling that my father gave 85 rubles for his squeezer. There is one another dog. એક બીજો ડોગ છે નટાલિયાના ઘરમાં, એનું નામ છે સ્ક્વીઝર, રાઈટ? લોમોના ઘરમાં એક ડોગ છે, એનું નામ છે મિનરો, right? Miroro or Minro, right? That is costing 125 rubles. And Natalia is saying that Papa gave, that means his father Stefanovich gave 85 rubles for his squeezer, and squeezer heaps better than guess. And squeezer heaps better than guess. That means squeezer is much more stronger than guess. Guess is one another dog. Guess is one another. So total there are 3 dogs, right? And squeezer heaps, that means it jumps more stronger than the guess. Lomo, squeezer is better than guess. What an idea. Laughs. Squeezer is better than guess. Natalia, of course he is better, of course. Squeezer is young. He may develop a bit, but on a points and a pedigree is better than anything that even Wolensky has got. Now there is some other dog whose name is Wolensky, right? Whose dog? It is not mentioned in the story. Now they have started talking about dogs. See the conversation that is going again on the other direction. Natalia એવું કીધું કે આપણે બીજી વાત કરીએ. એટલે પેલા લોમોને તો પ્રપોઝલ મગજમાં નહોતું, એ તો ભૂલી જ ગયો હતો. એટલે લોમો એવું સાંભળ્યું ને, લેટ અસ ટોક સમથિંગ એલ્સ, એટલે શેના ઉપર કન્વર્સેશન આવતો હતો? ડોગ્સ ઉપર કન્વર્સેશન ઉપર આવતો હતો. એટલે એની પાસે એક ડોગ છે, એની કિંમત છે 125 રૂબલ્સ, that is 125 rupees, let us say in the Indian currency. Then Natalia said, even I have a squeezer and his price is 85 rubles, that is 85 rupees, and he is much more stronger than Guess. એટલે Guess એક બીજો ડોગ હશે સોસાયટીની અંદર, so he is much more stronger. That is what Natalia is telling. And Natalia is telling, of course, Squeezer is young. Squeezer is young. He may develop a bit, that means he is on the developing stage. But on the points of pedigree, that means when it comes to food, he is better than anything. When it comes to food, Squeezer is the most strongest one. એના જેટલું કોઈ ખાતું નથી, right? Then even Wolensky has got. There is now another dog. There is Wolensky. It might be somewhere close in the society. વોલેન્સ્કી જેટલો સ્ટ્રોંગ દેખાય છે જેટલું ખાતો છે એના કરતાં સ્ક્વીઝર જે છે એ વધારે ખાય છે. કઈ કન્વર્ઝેશન ક્યાં જાય છે, રાઈટ? લોમો, એક્સક્યુઝ મી, Natalia Stefanova, but he forgot that he is overshot. થોડો વધારે જ જાડો છે, that is he is overweighted, right? And an overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. જ્યારે વજન વધી ગયું હોય, that means the animal cannot run faster, so he is a bad hunter, right? Natalia, overshot is he? The first time I hear it, પહેલી વાર આવું સાંભળ્યું કે કોકે સ્વીઝર ને overshot કીધું, that means overweighted કીધું. The first time I am hearing that someone is saying that squeezer કોનો dog હતો? Natalia. Now Lomo is telling that your squeezer is an overshot. That means he is more bulky, and that makes him bad hunter. That means he cannot kill his hunt, right? Lomo, I assure you that his lower jaw is shorter than the upper. The Lomo jaw, પાછો શું કહે? His lower jaw, that means the below part, the neck, is shorter than the upper. ક્યાંથી ક્યાં વાત જાય, right? Now they are analyzing on dog's life. Natalia, have you measured? Now Natalia is saying, have you measured him? Right? Lomo, yes, he is all right at the falling, of course, but if you want to get hold of anything. Natalia, in the first place, our squeezer is a thoroughbred animal, the sons of Harness and Chisels. Well, there is no getting at the pedigree of your dog at all. He is old and as ugly as a worn-cap horse. Now, there is a conversation that leads to a differentiation or an argument that my dog is better than your dog, right? Natalia is saying, in the first place, our squeezer is a thoroughbred, right? જે બધા different dogs are, right? અલગ-અલગ breeds ના dog ભેગા થાય, and there is one new dog that has been given the birth, right? The son of Harness and Chisels, right? એટલે કોઈ breed હશે Harness અને Chisels ની, અને એમના થ્રુ એક born થયું હશે, that is the squeezer. Well, there is no getting at the pedigree of your dog at all. When it comes to the pedigree, that means when it comes to the food, and if we keep the competition, your dog will not even stand in line. He is old, your dog is old, and as ugly as a worn-cap horse. Juna ghoda hoy, right? Old horse who cannot run very fast. That kind of dog is yours. Well, we'll finish this page and then we'll stop. Okay. Lomo, he is old, but I wouldn't take 5 squeezers for him. He is old, I agree. But એની સામે મને કોઈ 5 squeezers આપી દે ને જે તારી પાસે છે, right? તો પણ હું નહીં લઉં. Then also I'll not take it. Why? How can you? Guess is a dog. As for squeezer, well, it is too funny to argue. Right? Guess is a dog. In comparison time, it's too funny to argue, right? Anybody you like as a dog as good as squeezer, you may find them under every bush almost. Whenever you find a squeezer, that kind of a dog, you will find them under the bush, sitting, relaxing. 25 rubles would be a handsome price to pay for him. Our dog માટે તો ખાલી 25 રૂપિયા છે જે બેઠા રહે છે. કેટલા આપ્યું ડાયરેક્ટલી નટાલિયા એના ફાધરે? 85 rupees. So now what Lomo is telling, our dogs હોય ને જે ખાલી બેઠા રહેતા હોય, I wouldn't pay anything more than 25 rubles. Natalia, there is some demon contradicting in you today. આજે તારામાં કોઈ ભૂત ઘૂસી ગયું છે કે હું જે કહું એની ઓપોઝિટ જ વાત કરવાની? Is there any kind of demon in you today? Ivan Veselvich, first you pretend that meadows are yours. પહેલા તે meadows ની મગજમારી કરી. You have discussed and argued about the meadows, right? And now that guess is better than squeezer, and now you are trying to prove that the point that guess is better than squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean, because you know perfectly well that squeezer is 100 times better than your silly guess, right? Why don't you say that he isn't, right? Now Natalia is saying all these things to Lomo, right? Guess. That guess is better than squeezer. What you are trying to say? That guess, that is the name of the dog, is better than squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean, right? I don't like the people who don't say what they mean. Actually mean નથી કરતા, માનતા નથી છતાં એ જ વસ્તુ બોલે. I don't like that kind of people, right? પોતે બિલીવ ન કરતા ને પોતે જ પ્રચાર કરતા કે આમ નહીં આમ કરો. પોતે બિલીવ કરે છે નથી કરતા. I don't like that kind of people, because you know perfectly, you know from inside, right? Even that squeezer is 100 times better than your silly guess. એટલે guess નામનું એક ડોગ છે જેની એ સાઈડ લેતો હતો, અને નટાલિયા એને એવું કહે છે that you know it very well that squeezer is 100 times better than guess. Why don't you say? Why don't you say he isn't? Why don't you say, why don't you accept all these things that he is more better than this, right? So this is where we are stopping here for today, right? There is still a lot of more to go in this chapter, right? Still 2 to 3 pages are there, right? We are stopping over here.